All right. King tides are not necessarily meteorological phenomenon, but the weather sure can impact whether we feel them. Kristi's got the details now.
Yeah, exactly. It can exacerbate the situation. So we have a very high tide expected tomorrow, and there is a potential for some minor coastal flooding in low-lying areas, usual suspects like sort of Spanish Banks area. So if you're going for a walk late tomorrow morning, we're expecting a high tide at 11:16 a.m. So heads up. Certainly a possibility all around the lower mainland. Now, I wanted to show you this. Looking back at the days that we've had so far in December, the daytime high has been above average for most of the days other than 2. And that trend is expected to continue. So anyone hoping for a white Christmas in Metro Vancouver, it's really not looking very likely. It has a potential for changing, but it's not looking very likely. And, you know, we can't sort of attribute one specific thing to El Nino when we're looking at the weather. But what we can look at is sort of the trend. And the trend throughout December is really looking very El Nino-like and looks to be the case. Now, we may see a bit of a drop in the temperature to near seasonal values over the weekend, but then we climb back out of it. And that's the case for those of you in the interior. Daytime average high would be -2 in Kelowna, and we're way above that. And we are expecting mild southwest flow yet again tomorrow. So periods of rain on and off, freezing levels are going to climb. We're not expecting much snow for the mountain passes, and that means that mostly we're looking at rain for the mountain passes. We do have a risk of freezing rain for the Coquihalla, the Connector, and Allison Pass tonight into tomorrow morning, but generally we're looking at just wet weather. Any flakes that you see in these icons really would just be a wet snow early in the morning. Otherwise, you're looking at rainfall, and for our region, certainly periods of rain is expected. A little drier, though, on Wednesday and Thursday. It's only a 40% chance of showers. Don't forget, we change over to winter officially on Thursday. That means the days get longer and longer, which I love. Looking at our weekend, though, it looks like we could catch a bit of sunshine on Saturday. Tonight's Central Windows weather window coming to you from Creston. Brian, I shared this with everyone. I love the shot of these sort of alto-cumulus clouds, but also we very seldom get photos from Creston. So thanks and hi to everyone in Creston.
Brian's on the board. Thanks very much, Kristi. And thanks, Brian.
Well, after weeks of intense